Lamborghini and Ferrari, both being an Italian brand, leaves an impact on the whole world by being best in their segment and world class in what they do. But these companies go way back in the history. Ferrari was the first one जो इस motorsport business के अंदर आई थी. Enzo Ferrari, the maker and the mastermind behind this, was born in a poor family in Modena, a small city in northern Italy. जब एंजो करीब 10 साल का था, then he gained interest in motorsport racing by watching an auto race called Circuito de Bologna. Fast forward to 1920, Enzo ने Alfa Romeo join करी, which was the leading race car brand at that point of time as a race car driver. He was a phenomenal driver and he bagged 11 wins in 41 Grand Prix in 5 years. But during these 5 years, Enzo also lost 2 of his friends and co-drivers, Ugo Sivacci in 1923 and Antonio Ascari in 1925, which deeply saddened Enzo to see his dead colleague's son who were too small to understand what they have just lost, due to which he promised himself that he would quit racing if he had son, which did happen in 1932, resulting in Enzo leaving racing for good. Although Enzo ने racing छोड़ दी थी, but उसका interest सिर्फ racing तक ही नहीं था, but कार के mechanics और उसकी development में भी था. Retirement के बाद Enzo ने खुद की एक racing team form करी, Scuderia Ferrari, which became a success shortly after it was launched because of his great mentorship. They later appeared as an emblem of a prancing horse on Alfa Romeo's cars as well. But in 1937, the team was dissolved because Alfa Romeo की depleting financial conditions को चलते वो Scuderia को fund नहीं कर पा रहे थे. But yet again, Enzo still managed to work with the company, but after a disagreement with the manager, he also quit. Enzo ने एक ऐसी कंपनी स्टार्ट करी जो रेसिंग कंपनीज को कार के पार्ट सप्लाई करती थी, एंड विद दैट उन्होंने 2 कार्स भी मैन्युफैक्चर करी. फास्ट फॉरवर्ड टू 1947, एंजो स्टार्ट करते अपनी खुद की कंपनी कॉल्ड फरारी विद द प्रांसिंग हॉर्स एम्बलम. अब बिकॉज एंजो का इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा रेसिंग की तरफ ज्यादा था, सो ही फोकसेस ऑन स्पीड एंड परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द कार rather considering the comfort of the driver. Despite the discomfort of the driver, the company was able to win races and establish itself in the racing community. Ferrari ने अपना दबदबा मोटरस्पोर्ट रेसिंग के अंदर तो बना लिया था, लेकिन बड़ा कस्टमर सपोर्ट ग्रैब करने के लिए और कंपनी को एक्सपैंड करने के लिए उन्होंने मैन्युफैक्चर करना स्टार्ट किया सिटी ड्राइविंग कार्स. बट स्पीड बीइंग Ferrari's priority, comfort was neglected. On the other hand, a prisoner of war came back to Italy in 1946, named Ferruccio Lamborghini, and started a small garage and started converting military-grade equipments into farming tractors. This business turned the man into a millionaire, and with this much money in his pocket, he started collecting cars. Lamborghini started collecting cars like Jaguars, Mercedes, Maseratis, and even Ferraris, but none of these cars satisfied that man. जब Ferruccio ने Ferrari 250 GT खरीदी, तो उसे disappointment सबसे ज़्यादा उसी कार से हुई, क्योंकि the hype was not worth it. कार के क्लच में मैल फंक्शन होना, नॉइसी ड्राइव्स एंड कार का डिस्कम्फर्ट वाज फ्यू ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई Ferruccio वाज नॉट इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द कंपनी. एक दिन जब Ferruccio अपनी फरारी को लेके मैकेनिक के पास में गए, तो तब उन्होंने देखा कि उनका जो गाड़ी का क्लच है दैट इज क्वाइट सिमिलर टू द क्लच दैट दे यूज इन देयर ट्रैक्टर्स, जिसके लिए वो 100 टाइम्स ज्यादा पे कर रहे थे. And after seeing this, he decided to tell Ferrari about the imperfections about their cars. जब Ferruccio ने Ferrari को उनके कार की imperfections के बारे में बताया, तो Ferrari became very defensive about his company. He said, "The cars are not faulty. You are the problem." He also said, "You are a tractor driver, a farmer. You shouldn't complain about my cars. They are the best in the world." On that day, Ferruccio decides to manufacture his own cars that outperforms Ferrari's cars in every aspect. Less than a year later, after having a conversation with Ferrari, Lamborghini launched its first car, 350 GTV, but had to redo it again because of some flaws in the design. And later on, Lamborghini launches 350 GT. The company always focused on comfort, better handling, and feature-loaded cars. Ferruccio not being interested in racing shows that the companies are competing in 2 different aspects. Lamborghini is for people who looks for luxury rides. On the other hand, Ferrari is for the people who looks for more powerful rides. Still, the rivalry exists, and moreover to that, there are a few rules that you have to follow while buying a Ferrari. You can't sell your Ferrari in the first year of purchase, or if you have ever owned a Lamborghini, you are off the Ferrari's VIP lists. आज के टाइम पे दोनों ही कंपनीज अपनी अपनी कार्स की सेल को लेके काफी ज्यादा खुश हैं. जहां Ferrari अपनी कार्स के 13,663 यूनिट सेल करती है, दूसरी तरफ Lamborghini अपने 7,744 यूनिट सेल करती है 9 मंथ्स के अंदर. Bottom line is both the companies had their past, and it's not wrong to say that Ferrari was the reason why Lamborghini was born. Both the companies are the top choices for the people around the globe who are into sports cars. So, this was the story behind the rivalry of two leading sports car companies. आशा करता हूँ कि आपको आज का एपिसोड पसंद आया होगा। आज के एपिसोड के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड के अंदर।